Good day. Here's the most recent news for today. After the successful vaccination simulation exercise of the province initiated by the Provincial Health Office, the Department of Health Region 10 addressed some recommendations to the office to further improve its action towards the actual vaccination program. Let us have Danny Obsioma Jr. for the complete story.
Yes, Queen. With the success of the vaccination simulation exercise happened on February 19, 2021, the Provincial Health Office, under the supervision of Dr. Jerry Kalingasan, is welcome to improving the handling of the COVID-19 vaccine once it arrives in the province.
With Dr. David Mendoza, Chief of Local Support Division, Department of Health Region 10, commending the simulation exercise, he stressed out some recommendations to the Health Office for the improvement of the COVID-19 vaccine handling once it arrives prospectively in the mid of March. He recommended that materials and signage should be displayed in every station to inform people to follow the minimum health standards. Social distancing should be strictly implemented, while QR codes should always be validated. Furthermore, the use of own dialect in speaking and giving instructions upon vaccine inoculation should be followed. Additionally, labeling of emergency medicines and installing of trash bins should also be readily made available.
These are just some of the recommendations that Dr. David Mendoza would want to get implemented by the provincial IATF to ensure the efficiency of the vaccine handling and to minimize glitches that might possibly occur by the time actual vaccination program happens. This is Danny Obsioma Jr., aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen?
Thanks, Danny. In another story, Pagro will start distributing a variety of vegetable seedlings from MOPADC, or the Misamis Oriental Provincial Agriculture Development Complex, to sustain mechanism for food security in Misor, especially with the occurrence of COVID-19 and ASF. Jayo Denke will tell us more.
Yes, Queen. Pagro will start distributing various vegetable seedlings from the Misamis Oriental Provincial Agricultural Development Complex, or MOPADC. This is part of Governor Bambi Emano's sustaining mechanism for food security in the province of Misamis Oriental, especially with the current health crisis caused by COVID-19 and also with the recent occurrence of the African swine fever, or ASF. The benefits of this is to empower the farmers to plant more amidst the COVID-19 pandemic. In addition, Pagro will connect with co-ops and individual farmers to plant vegetables based on what the market demands. This office aims to supply 45,000 seedlings each month to ensure food security, income, and employment generation in Misamis Oriental, and also plans to buy back the product and then package and distribute it to the consumers in partnership with FICO, or First Community Cooperative. The staff of Pagro are the one doing the production of vegetable seedlings. It will be conducted on a weekly basis to ensure a sustaining supply of quality vegetables in the market. The significance is to strengthen more food security and sustainability. This is Jayo Denke, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Queen?
Thanks, Gio. And that is the latest news for today. For more details, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, I am Queen Exclamador. Good day.